What if one simple root could help your digestion, calm inflammation, boost immunity, improve circulation, and even support your brain? This root is warm, spicy, and instantly recognizable. Today, we're talking about ginger, one of the most powerful natural foods in the world. Ginger has been used for over 5,000 years. Ancient Chinese, Indian, Greek, and Middle Eastern cultures valued it so highly that it was traded like gold. Ginger comes from the root of a flowering plant originally grown in Southeast Asia, thriving in warm and humid climates. Ginger contains powerful bioactive compounds, especially gingerol, responsible for ginger's spicy taste and its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger provides vitamin B6, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and protective antioxidants that support overall health. Ginger is best known for digestion. It stimulates digestive enzymes, reduces bloating, and helps relieve nausea and motion sickness. Ginger supports the immune system by reducing inflammation and helping the body fight infections, especially during cold and flu season. Ginger improves circulation and supports heart health by helping blood flow more efficiently through the body. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce joint stiffness and muscle discomfort, especially after physical activity. Ginger's antioxidants help protect brain cells and may support focus, memory, and mental clarity. Ginger comes in two common forms, fresh ginger and ginger powder, and each has its own best uses. Fresh ginger contains higher levels of active compounds and is ideal for tea, cooking, digestion, and nausea relief. Ginger powder is convenient and long-lasting, making it perfect for baking, smoothies, and warm drinks. One of the best ways to consume ginger is as tea. It's warming, soothing, and great for digestion and immunity. Ginger can be added to soups, rice, vegetables, and sauces, enhancing flavor while delivering health benefits. Ginger works best in the morning, after meals, or during cold weather to support digestion and warmth. Small, consistent amounts are best. About 1 to 2 grams per day is usually enough for most people. People taking blood-thinning medications or with certain conditions should consult a healthcare professional. Ginger reminds us that powerful health support often comes from simple, ancient foods trusted for generations. Stay aware of what you eat, because food is not just flavor, it's function.